Hospitality or hotels at the end of the day are a very local business. We certainly are a global chain, but we operate in 4,000 communities around the world and really depend on that community for a lot of those goods and services. So a lot of what we're interested in looking at is the next phase of our youth work is how do we cultivate and really foster youth entrepreneurs who can enter our supply chain. And we've seen this in some markets, certainly in some of the culture or travel and tourism services that can be offered as our hotel as part of a package if you're a leisure traveler. A lot of the food and beverage, certainly that we source is obviously local. And so how do we maybe bring more young entrepreneurs into that? How do we bring them into other types of goods and services that the hotel needs to procure and create that environment where they can be successful?